This is the homework help video for Thursday, April 26th for my pre-AP classes, periods 1 and 5. 10 to the 0 power. We remember in class we looked at some patterns. 10 to the third power is 1,000. 10 to the second power, 10 times 10, that's 100. 10 to the first power is just 10. And so we looked at how is this changing. We're dividing by 10 each time. So if we extend that pattern and divide by 10 again, 10 divided by 10 is 1. So 10 to the 0 power is equal to 1. Any base number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. And you're going to use that rule so often you're going to have it memorized before you know it, but you really don't really need to have it memorized if you remember the pattern we learned in class and that you see on the slide there. Well, let's extend that pattern a little more. 10 to the negative first power would be, again, divide by 10. That's 1/10. 10 to the negative second power, 1 over 100. And 10 to the negative third would be 1 over 1,000. You just keep dividing by 10. So any base number to the negative exponent is equal to 1 over that same base number to the positive exponent. So that's 1 over 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100, 100 times 10 is 1,000, so 1 over 1,000, which is the same as 0.001, 1/1000th. On number 13, we have a negative base number, but we treat it the same. It's just 1 over the base number to the positive exponent. So this is 1 over negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And we just use our rule for integers. 2 times 2 is 4, and since the signs are the same, the product is positive. You can use Baby Mindy for that also. So it's positive 4 times negative 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and now the signs are different, so the product is negative. So this is 1 over negative 8, which is the same as negative 1/8. Again, we have a base number that's negative. It's 1 over that same base number to the positive exponent. So that's 1 over negative 4 times negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, so we have 1/16 here. And finally we have a order of operations problem, PEMDAS. First I need to do my parentheses. I have parentheses here, but there's no operation in here, just an integer, so I'm going to move to this parentheses. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is 7 to the 0 power. I'm rewriting the rest just like we did all of our order of operations problems this year. Now I'm on step 2, exponents. And the first exponent I see as I look left to right is this negative 5 to the negative second power. So I know I can write that as 1 over the base number, negative 5, to the positive second power. And 1 over negative 5 to the positive second power is 1 over negative 5 times negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25, so this is 1/25th. So I have 6 plus 1/25th minus 7 to the 0 power. I'm still on exponents because I have an exponent here. 7 to the 0 power is 1 whole. Any base number to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So I have 6 plus 1/25th, which is 6 and 1/25th, minus 1, that equals 5 and 1/25th. Okay, I hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.